So now I'm gonna ask you questions and you have to reply without looking at each other.
Okay.
Okay? So first question is, who's the better planner between the two of you?
Are you serious?
Oh, who books like all the attractions and
Okay,
tickets?
who asked to go for travel?
Oh god, guys.
She's the one who like watches all the YouTube videos so that you don't have to, even visit Dubai.
Okay.
Yeah, I do that. I watch YouTube videos of travelers like this one.
Yeah,
People should watch.
definitely.
So I watch YouTube videos. They are very informative. And people think that I should not visit any place after watching YouTube videos because I know everything.
ठीक है. So who took the most pictures?
See
Yeah,
me,
yeah. Okay, all
I
right.
have fans.
Right. Who kept making the rest of the family wait for Instagram perfect clicks?
Yeah.
You. Okay. So one twin moment where people couldn't recognize you or got confused between two of you.
It happens all the time.
Yeah.
Happens all the time, but I will eat my breakfast nicely and then I'll go to the room and then she's coming out and having breakfast and they will be like,
We'll be
how
shocked.
come
How come
she
she's
just
coming
ate
again?
food? What planet she has come from? What alien she is? She's eating twice this much breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
I'm
the-
pretty sure people get confused a lot between two of you.
Yeah, it happens.
What's the one thing that both of you totally disagreed on during the trip?
walking.
Okay.
She will be walking, miles to get any place. And I'll be like, no, dude, I cannot walk anymore. So
Okay.
that was the only thing I guess we disagree.
All right. So if you had to describe your twins' travel personality in one word, what would it be?
For her, I think relaxing.
Okay. For her?
For her, excited. She's
Yeah.
very excited. She'll be like jumping on the ground. Okay, we'll go with the family and everything, and we'll do all of these adventures and attractions and everything. So she'll be like,
My funda is very simple. Okay, I have been to beaches. I have been to mountains. I highly recommend. Challo, jahan jana hai challo.
I agree. I definitely agree. That was it for this segment. Now we have another segment called Rapid Fire. So first question, Burj Khalifa or Desert Safari?
Desert safari for me.
For
Burj
you?
Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa.
Yeah.
Okay. One thing you overpacked but did not use.
Selfie stick.
Selfie stick.
I think there is so many things that we overpack and but we didn't use.
Yeah.
But I think one of them is selfie stick.
Okay. So Burj Khalifa or Desert Safari?
Desert
Then
safari.
safari.
Okay.
It was a good, different experience.
Okay. Global Village or Desert Safari?
Global village.
Global village, definitely. You can spend almost 8 to 9 hours in there. You just get inside. You can have multiple cuisine. You can have different kind of foods from different countries. You can take pictures as much as you want. It is very good for kids. There are attractions for kids, fair.
Actually, there are many. It's like they are representing their country.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
like for example, for India, there was a huge model of Hawa Mahal. So
Okay.
that would be at the entrance gate, and once you get into that particular section, country section, there will be different stalls. They'll sell whatever is famous from India. So every country like Egypt or Thailand, or they'll have some representation of their country at the entrance gate, and once you get in, there will be stalls and there will be things to buy from their countries.
Oh,
Especially,
okay.
Yeah, definitely. If, for example, you get into India's main gate, you reach Hawa Mahal. As soon as you get inside to the Hawa Mahal gate, you will see Jodhpuri juti.
Okay,
You will see
acha.
hand painted saris.
Yeah.
Some ornaments or maybe some kind of vase which is famous from Jaipur or Jodhpur. So this is how it was built. It is very beautiful.
Okay. Most Instagrammable moment from the trip?
I think visiting Burj Khalifa, I think 125th floor of Burj Khalifa
Oh,
during
okay.
sunset.
Oh.
So if you are planning to go to Dubai, I will definitely recommend to go during sunsets or sunrises.
Okay.
The prices are different from different time zone. Like afternoons is cheaper than the sunset view time.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we have chosen sunset viewpoint, which was expensive but totally worth it.
Okay.
So we wanted to have that Instagrammable
Pictures.
Pictures.
The
Yeah.
entire city looks beautiful from up there.
You
ठीक है, all right. So who's the better travel buddy, family or friends?
family, definitely family.
Family.
Yeah. We
Okay.
can do whatever we want to do, but with family.
Family is fun.
Okay. So would you go back to Dubai? If yes, what's on your list for the next time?
Definitely Atlantis Water Park. Yeah, we could not explore. It was very big. The whole day was not enough. The rides were super fun. We had to, stand in a queue, very long queues, and the rides were very fun. I would definitely want to go back again for the water park.
Okay, all
I
right.
think for the next time we would increase our budget. I mean,
Yeah.
a lot budget, and we'll stay at Atlantis.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is free for the guests.
Okay.
It is free for the guests, and I think they had separate queues also.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the guests. At
The
the
fast track queue where they don't have to wait in the queue. We
Yeah.
had to wait in the queue.
Okay.
So I think
be fun.
All right. Cash or card? What did you end up using more?
I think
Card?
Card.
Card.
It
Okay.
was easy to use Neo card in restaurants. We had a Neo card where we could use it everywhere. Neo card works in metro to recharge metro cards, to use in hotels, to use in restaurants. For any bookings, we used. It was
Neo.
very easy and convenient to use it.
All right. That's good to hear. So if Dubai were a person, how would you describe it in 3 words?
I would describe in a song.
Okay.
ऐसा है तो बड़ी 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 बातें.
Definitely. Okay. Now the segment is over. We have another segment called Show and Tell. So in this segment, you have to show pictures from your trip and a quick fun story behind those pictures.
This one?
Yeah.
This is the sunset view from
Oh, this
Burj
is so pretty.
Khalifa.
This is very pretty.
Then we were like running around to get perfect clicks from there.
Yeah, it looks so pretty.
This one is actually I planned for this day where we
Okay.
are in front of the Burj Khalifa
Very
and I
pretty.
wanted to look like Burj Khalifa itself.
We actually roamed around in the entire day.
Yeah.
And we reached Burj Khalifa at the night, and we were carrying the heels and
Dresses, yeah.
to change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This picture is for
Oh, wow.
skydive.
Wow, very pretty.
This Palm Island is like man-made, and
Yeah.
it looks beautiful.
Okay. So it was a fun conversation with you both. Since we're running out of time, it's a wrap to our show today. And thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
And for more such episodes, keep watching Travel Diaries by Neo and see you in the next episode.